Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I want to share the thing that limitation of mind is difficult to overcome. Sometimes when we see in our lives that when we are stuck in our problems or when we are facing hardships, then we should believe our God gifted abilities. But rather we have fear of persons, we have fear of person attitude, we have fear of failure. So these things prevent us to gain success. First, we should believe that Allah has given us hidden potential. Allah has given us abilities. We can say these abilities as God-gifted abilities. These are the hidden talent and potential in our personality that we can find that we can face that difficulties and we can move forward. So this is the main thing, that the hurdle is not in the scenario, hurdle is in our mind. So we should remove our mental block in any situations, and we should move forward. To do this, we should avoid negative persons. We should listen our heart. Okay, when we are stuck in our problems, when we are stuck in any difficulties, then we should avoid the negative person. We should listen our heart. We should listen encouraging persons, and we should accept good proposals from our friends, from positive persons, to move forward. And when we avail these things, we should avail good opportunities in our life. जब भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, जब भी हर्डल्स क्रिएट होते हैं, तो जो सबसे बड़ा जो प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारे जहन में, जो फियर है, वो फियर ऑफ पीपल एटीट्यूड्स के, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोगों का बिहेवियर क्या है, लोगों का एटीट्यूड क्या है. These things create hurdles in our minds. These are the mental block. We should remove these mental block to move forward. आगे बढ़ने के लिए हमें इन mental blocks को remove करना. And we should believe in Allah in such a way that Allah has given us potential. Allah has given us God-gifted abilities in our personality that we can face these difficulties. And so we should consult with the encouraging persons, positive minded persons, and we should accept good proposals in our life. हमें पॉजिटिव प्रपोजल्स भी, पॉजिटिव सजेशंस भी मिल जाती हैं, एंड वी शुड टेक देम पॉजिटिवली टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. Simply we can say, I want to say that we should avail good opportunities in our life to move forwards. And the main point that I want to explain it, that it is the limitation of our mind, that in any circumstances, in any scenario, that we feel that we are stuck. But if we remove these mental blocks, if we remove the fear of persons, fear of person attitude, fear of negative persons from our minds, and we trust on Allah Almighty, and we trust on the potentials and the abilities that Allah has given us, then we can easily move forward in our life. And the best blessing of Allah is the positive person, positive friendships, the encouraging persons. Okay? And we should accept their proposal, and we should avail new opportunities in our life, in our careers, in that particular scenario, to move forward or to overcome the hurdles. I hope that you have realized the point that I am trying to explain you, I am trying to convey you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.